Hello guys, let's get started with a new session. It's talk about government schemes and policies and also how to solve the government scheme related questions. Okay, we can start from the first question. These questions talk about Mission Indradhanush. It is related to scheme Mission Indradhanush. It's all about the vaccination, immunization, all these programs. And the first question reading like this: which of the following statements are correct with respect to Mission Indradhanush? The first statement says this program is modified version of universal immunization program to be implemented in a phased manner to cover selected district in the country. And the second statement, ultimate goal of this mission is to ensure full immunization with all available vaccines for children up to 4 years, pregnant and lactating women. And the third statement reads, several ministries have come together to make the mission a resounding success and support the central government in ensuring the benefits of vaccine reach the last mile. We can go through each and every statement in a detailed manner. Okay, the first statement, somewhere that is a tricky part. Okay, if we read selected district in the country, that is not possible, because even providing immunization to all those who are deprived immunity, or somewhere it's providing the vaccine, it's not only selected district, it's all district in the country. That's why the first statement is wrong. In that sense, we can say the first option and the last option just eliminated. Okay, the remaining only two options, B and C. The probability of clearing that question just only knowing the first statement is 50%. Okay, and the second statement, the ultimate goal of this mission is to ensure full immunization with all available vaccines for children. Then again the tricky part, 4 years, pregnant, lactating. That is the beneficiary. Who are the beneficiaries of these schemes? 2 years pregnant, that's limited, and not lactating woman. Then the second statement is also wrong. Then the option B is eliminated. Then remaining only 3. Without knowing the third statement, we can reach the appropriate answer. That is option C. That is the right answer. Okay, it's always right, because several ministry, because even cannot reach a success with a single ministry, because that is the participation of several ministry reach the resounding success and support the central government in ensuring the benefits of vaccine reach last mile. And we can go to the next question. It's a talk about the Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana. This scheme is related to Ministry of Agriculture. Okay, that is not included in the question, but that is somewhat a fact. Okay, and I can say the first statement, Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana sub-assumed National Agricultural Insurance as well as the modified National Agricultural Insurance Scheme. It's somewhat a right statement, because the old insurance scheme related to agriculture has been replaced with Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana. And the second statement is, farmers will have to pay uniform premium of 2% of all. That is a keyword we have to identify. 2% for all crops. That's a wrong statement. 2% for Kharif crop, 1.5% for Rabi crops, and the 5% for horticulture and commercial crops. Okay, that's why the statement 2 is wrong and the statement 1 is true. That is the option remaining 1. It's and 2 is wrong. B and D eliminated, only remaining A and C. With reading with the 2 statement, we reach only 2 option. Okay, A and C. And the last statement says remaining share of premium to be borne by respective state government. It's a agriculture is a state subject. The most of them think about that's only the state government. That's a wrong state. That is a wrong interpretation. It's all about a respective by the government of India and the state government, and so the statement 3 is wrong. But there is no upper limit on the government subsidy. That's a right. Okay, but totality of the statement 3 is wrong. That's why we can say the answer is the A, option 1 only. The last and final question, consider the following statement to reach a conclusion, because we need to identify most appropriate answer, because the keyword we have to point out, identify the scheme or program which appropriately match with the given above statements. The first statement read like this: to envision an absolute enhancement and intellect and character in our student in long run. That is obviously a vision statement. Okay, if any program or policy we take, there is a mission, there is a vision, there is an objective, there is a target, there is a beneficiaries. Okay, this like because the corresponding fund sharing with respect to the state and central government, everything that has been mentioned in the each scheme. That's why if we read any scheme or any policy with respect to particular ministry or particular department, we have to read carefully. We need to focus these points what I mentioned before. Okay, then the second statement: to provide a requisite platform for education to the lesser advantaged. If we look into these two statements, that is an exactly match with the Vidyadhan scheme. Okay, the other schemes are also related to education, but the most appropriate answer with respect to these two, vision and objective, that is Vidyadhan. It's all about this question solving session, and please subscribe, like, share this